In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on your Kia Optima. Located in the front windshield, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to lift the wiper arm. Being very careful, you do not want this to slam onto the windshield, so just keep that in mind. To remove the old one, we're going to rotate it like this. It's going to have a clip right over here. You're going to go ahead and squeeze it and slide down on it. And that is going to release the old wiper blade. Like I said, be very careful. You do not want this to slam onto the windshield. It will most likely cause damage. Grab onto the new wiper blade, and we're going to be lining it up with this. Slide it in. Make sure you hear it click. And before we put it down, we're going to go ahead and remove this white cover that comes on the wiper blade. So just simply go ahead and slide it out. Being very careful, go ahead and lower the wiper arm. And repeat the same process on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.